Question 1. Find the coterminal angle to 27 pi over phi over the interval from negative 360 degrees to 0. So it's interesting to note that the angle they give us is expressed in radians, and the interval they want us to express, I'm assuming the answer in, is in degrees. So in order to start this question, I'm going to take 27 pi over 5, and I'm going to convert that to degrees. So to convert from radians to degrees, I simply go 27 pi over 5, and I multiply that by my conversion factor of 180 over pi. So as we can see, the pi's cancel, and then we'll get this 27 times 180 divided by 5, I'm being lazy here, is 972 degrees. So we want to get a coterminal angle that is between negative 360 and 0. So there's a simple way to do this, and that's subtracting 360. We want to keep subtracting 360 degrees until we get to where we want. So remember, the reason it's coterminal when you subtract 360 is in the unit circle, right? One full rotation is 360 degrees. So let's subtract 360 a whole bunch of times. So I'm just going to do this one time at a time. So one coterminal angle, we'll call it x, is 972 subtract 360. Now if you want to take a shortcut, of course, you could have just subtracted 720. So 972 subtract 360 is 612. So now I'm going to get, I'll just call that x1. Now I'll get x2. And this x1 and x2 are coterminal with the original one. I'll call this xo, 972. So 612 subtract 360. And a lot of questions ask for this one. They want it between 0 and 360. So 252. So now I got 252 degrees. I could actually kind of picture this in the unit circle. So 252 degrees in the unit circle would be this way. 252 degrees. If I subtract it one more time, 360 one more time, I get 252 subtract 360 degrees. And finally, I'll get the answer. So if we go 252, subtract 360, we get 108. Oops, so 108 degrees. So, which kind of makes sense, because rotating in the positive direction, 252, will get you to the same terminal position as rotating in the negative direction, 108 degrees.